If your baked chicken does not look like this, stick around and I'll show you what you're missing. The next key ingredient I'm adding here is browning. I'm using Eve Jamaican browning. This is a rich, dark liquid. It's made by caramelizing sugar and adding water. It really boosts the flavor and it adds a very nice color to any dish. You could use it in your sauce, your meat, your gravy. It just gives it a great color. Okay, this is it, guys. This is it. After all that, I just took this out of the oven. Look at this drumstick. It's so juicy. It's succulent. It's actually dripping. So now what you can do, you could pair this over some rice and beans. In Jamaica, it's rice and peas. And what I also added was some squash, some green squash. So this goes very well with the baked chicken, but you can actually pair it with whatever you want. But I choose to do rice and beans here. So thank you for watching to the end. Remember to like, subscribe, and share my videos. And also let me know what you're interested in seeing next. Thank you for your support, as always. Until next time.